one's sleeping though.
Think they were in here?
Yeah, probably like.
Oh, it's hot.
Yeah, because this was the bottom. So it's like this.
Look at him. He's sleeping.
We found 2 baby birds knocked out of a nest, and we're gonna put them back.
How'd you say that?
Because we're talking to the video.
Oh. Hi. Hi. I'm Jacob. Don't step out. I wasn't. I was in the trip. And this is Gabby. That's recording. And my brother Justin is right there in the Red Raider shirt.
This is their nest.
And that's their nest. And we're going to record putting them back in and then put on YouTube.
Oh, guys, this one. Yeah, it might be sleeping.
So I touch his head.
Mm-hmm.
Be careful touching his head. Can I touch his head? But you're going to have to wash your hands.
Back up, back up.
Yeah, when I have to wash my hands still. So, they're cute. We found them today.
Look at the camera. Say cheese.
And that's one of them. Show them one.
Okay.
And that's one. He's so cute. Their mom, from the rain, probably got scared.
I will.
And then we're going to put him back in his
They're
nest.
so little.
Here, record it, put him back in his nest.
And there they are in their nest.
So, isn't it
Well,
so
maybe
cool?
for now, should we put the nest down here by the shade? Probably?
Yeah,
Okay.
Yeah, let's get them in the sun.
So, this is cool, right?
Sunburn.
Can I hold it?
Let's get the birds.
This was Gabby. I was recording. Those are the chance. Here's Justin Lynn.
So where we stay up, you know, or
Look at him.
I wonder if I have. Let me
I'm
see.
6, Justin's 8,
That's all.
Gabby's
Let's
12.
see if we got something we can hang it.
Okay.
Put that in it.
So that's part 1 of rescuing baby birds.
Bye.